and really evenly matched, and they're tugging back and forth. So and they go for like an hour, and they keep going back, and this thing just goes back and forth and back and forth. And an hour later, they're right back where they started. How much work have they done? That no net force. They're right back where they started. They haven't done anything. They haven't accomplished anything. Work is this force times distance, and they have to be in the same direction. The example I gave was with the chair. I have some force I'm putting on here. Let's say it's a 1 pound force. I move it 5 feet. How much work did I do? 1 pound force times in 5 feet. So force is 1 lbf times 5 feet. Because I had my force and the movement was in the exact same direction. £5 force. Hey, Jonathan, you're off the hook. I'm just going to pick this out there for a while. What's your name now? Jessica. Jessica, how much? Oh, I shouldn't say how much, because I shouldn't say how much power, because that kind of assumes there's a certain quantity, and power is really not a quantity. What was the power being exerted? How much? What was the power that I was using? So in that same example there, when I was pushing that, what was the power? In the example I just did, yeah. How much power was I using to move that chair? Let's think. Okay, let's first start with what's the definition of power in the simplest terms? It's
the amount of work over time.
It's work per time. Yes. We've already got the work. See, some of you didn't help me here. So I've got a mistake up on the board. I'm a little aggravated nobody caught it. Y'all make me make some mistakes. So Will caught it, but he's just sitting back there smiling.
Feet squared.
Not feet squared. Look at my units. 1 pound force times 5 feet.
It's supposed to be Newton meters.
If it was SI, it would be Newton meters. It's force times distance. But look at my answer there. I got 5 pounds force. That's a force. That's not work or energy. So what's my unit got to be?
Newton. I mean, joules.
The joule would be the SI unit. And the units I've got, it's force times distance. Look, just
Foot pounds.
foot pounds.
Sorry.
Yeah, just like a torque wrench. Anybody use a torque wrench?
Yeah.
It's not exactly the same as the torque wrench because that's torque, but it's the same units as torque. So it's lbf feet. So please, I'm going to make lots of mistakes on the board because I'm trying to talk and think, and so when I make little simple things like that, so y'all just yell out at me. Okay. Okay. So we got the work is 5 lbf feet. What was the time?
1 hour. Didn't say 1 hour.
No, I just moved that chair. I'm not that slow.
I thought you were talking about
What was the time?
I don't know. 2 seconds, okay.
I thought you were talking about the tug of war.
I'm not that old yet. So, we'll say 2 seconds. So, we're at 2.5 lbf feet per second. That's not the common unit of power you're going to see. Pound, foot per second. It's one of them though. Normally you're going to see horsepower or watts. But you can convert that into horsepower or watts. Just like you can convert inches into feet. It's just a simple conversion. So you got power work, you got power.